Anthropic just handed every developer on the planet a fully managed AI workforce, and most people have no idea what just happened. On April 8, 2026, Anthropic launched Claude Managed Agents in public beta, a suite of composable APIs that lets you build, deploy, and run fully autonomous AI agents in the cloud. Not chatbots, not simple assistants, actual agents that operate for hours, make real decisions, use real tools, and recover from failures on their own. Here is why this changes everything. Before this, building a production AI agent was an absolute nightmare. You needed sandboxed code execution, checkpointing, credential management, state persistence, error recovery, scoped permissions, end-to-end tracing. That is months of infrastructure work before your agent does a single useful thing. Managed Agents wipes all of that out. You define the tasks, you pick the tools, you set the guardrails. Anthropic runs everything on their infrastructure: sandbox, orchestration, authentication, security, tracing, all of it, completely managed. And the speed difference is staggering. Teams are shipping in days, not months. Anthropic claims 10x faster development time, and the companies already using this back that up completely. But hold on, because the real use cases will blow your mind. Sentry, the massive bug tracking platform, connected managed agents to their debugging tool called Seer. Now, when Seer identifies a root cause, a Claude-powered agent automatically writes the patch and opens a pull request. Developers go from a flagged bug to a reviewable fix in one single flow. They built this entire integration in weeks instead of months. Notion built custom agents directly inside their workspace. Engineers use them to ship code. Knowledge workers use them to generate full websites and presentations. Dozens of tasks can run in parallel while the whole team collaborates on the results, all without leaving Notion. Rakuten deployed specialist agents across product, sales, marketing, and finance departments. Each specialist agent shipped within a single week. They plug into Slack and Microsoft Teams, accept assignments from employees, and deliver completed spreadsheets, slide decks, and fully functional applications. Asana created something called AI Teammates. These are collaborative agents that sit inside Asana projects, pick up assigned tasks, and draft deliverables right alongside human workers. Their engineering team said managed agents let them ship advanced features dramatically faster than building the infrastructure themselves. Atlassian integrated this directly into Jira. Developers can now assign tasks to Claude-powered agents right from their existing workflows. Managed Agents handles the sandboxing, sessions, and scoped permissions. Their engineers spend less time on infrastructure and more time building actual features for end users. Now here is the part that should really grab your attention. There is a multi-agent feature currently in research preview. This means one agent can spin up and direct other agents to work in parallel. Your primary agent hits a complex problem, breaks it into pieces, launches specialist agents simultaneously, and assembles all the results. That is not just a tool anymore. That is an autonomous AI workforce operating inside your stack. On top of that, there is an outcome-based system. You define success criteria, and Claude evaluates its own work, then iterates until it hits the target. In internal testing, this improved task success by up to 10 points over standard prompting. The biggest gains came on the hardest problems. Pricing is dead simple. Standard Claude platform token rates apply, plus 8 cents per session hour for active runtime. No massive infrastructure bills, no complex upfront commitments. You pay for what your agents actually consume. What separates this from every other agent framework? It is not just an SDK. It is a fully hosted runtime. Each agent gets an isolated container, persistent sessions that survive disconnections, credential management, scoped permissions, tool orchestration, and complete execution tracing inside the Claude console. Every decision your agent makes is fully inspectable. The barrier to shipping production-grade AI agents just collapsed to nearly zero. A few lines of code, and you have an autonomous agent running in a secure cloud sandbox, connected to real systems, performing real work. It has been 5 days since launch. Notion, Asana, Rakuten, Sentry, Atlassian, and Vibe Code are already running managed agents in production environments. The era of fully managed AI agents started on April 8th, and it arrived faster than anyone predicted.